Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this Filmic color grading in the CapCut mobile. So first, you need to add a filter to your video. So go to filter, find the retro category, and then here select the film filter. You can adjust it as you like, but I'm going to go with 75. Then go to adjust and follow the settings. So for the brightness, increase it to 5, contrast 7, saturation 5, brilliance lower it to -18, then increase the sharpness 25. Now click on the edge cell, and for the red color, set the hue to -10, saturation 10, and then the lightness -10. And orange, hue 10, the saturation 15, and the lightness -10. For the yellow color, set the hue to 10, saturation -10, and then the lightness 15. So click on the green color. Now set the hue to 15 and saturation 10, and then the lightness -12. On the light blue, set the hue to -20 and saturation 15, then the lightness -10. Lastly, on the blue color, set the hue to -25, saturation 20, then the lightness -5. Go back and now find the highlight and lower it to -9, shadow 7, then the temperature 5, and the hue -5. Then you are done and you'll get this look. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.